Hi YouTube, welcome to another Scrawlrbox video. Let's get into the box straight away. I'm not even going to pretend to you that I don't know what's in the box because Instagram happens as usual. So let's get inside. It's really, it's a bit of a chunky box today. So let's get in there and look at these oil pastels. So yeah. Let's get inside. Let's not. Oh, look at that. Well, that's the most surprising thing in the box. A lovely green rubber eraser. In the UK, we call them rubbers. Oh, very heavy paper. Let's throw the box on the floor. Okay, so we have art supplies rubber, the Scrawlrbox for this month, a print, and some A5 drawing paper, which is Scrawlrbox's own one. Just admiring the rubber again. Eraser, it's an eraser. I know in America rubbers are something completely different. Okay, what have we got? I know what we've got. Why am I asking? Okay, so here's the sticker. It is part of the print. I'm trying to work out where on the print it is. It is approximately there. So that's cool. Here's the Scrawlr challenge, which is where the river flows. Oh, look, watercolour. No. Oh my God. It's not watercolour, is it? Oil pastels. Look at those. Oh. Oh. Okay, I'm not mad. I was really mad and I was trying to hide it with humour. But I'm not mad now because these are Scrawlr water. What? Get your beep. They are not watercolours. Scrawlr oil pastels. And I've seen these. There's a YouTuber called Black Bean CMS, and he uses oil pastels, not watercolours. And he talks about these quite a lot. So that's really cool. So what else have we got? A Mars Lumograph Staedtler pencil. That's a 5B. Weird looking sweet. Chew spearmint. A stick for scratchy scratch. And one of these useless paper stub things that I probably won't even use. Anyway, right. Okay. Chuck that. Bye. Wow. That's... I think Upcrate should take a little look and learn from this. Paper that came with the oil pastels and a pad of paper. So if you don't know already, I am subscribed for Upcrate because the last month I subscribed, we got one piece of A5 paper, kind of 3 bits. Really not good enough. But this is fantastic. So that outside, I'm all over the place. I'm trying to get this done before my husband walks through the door and starts shouting. Not shouting in a mean way, just inconsiderately because he's forgotten that I'm filming. So here's the Scrawlrbox really quickly. So you can kind of see on here it's got like the oil pastel texture. So there's our supplies in about our featured artist. So onto the print. So our featured artist is Julie Avisar. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. But Julie was born in London and is now based in Israel. So is primarily a landscape artist. So there we go. So there's just a little interview with her. And then things to try in the Scrawlr tips. Here we have the Scrawlr gallery. So I'm just seeing if I recognise anybody here. So we've got Carmel, and I don't think I recognise anything else. So anyway, this is my friend Carmel. I am going to link her below so you can check out her Instagram page. Yeah, and there's the magic of oil pastels. Now these were my nemesis when I was at school, and I've wanted to try them again since I did buy some a while back, but I haven't used them. Like everything else I buy. Okay, right, let's get these. Let's have a little we'll come back to that. Oh my God, can't get in them. So it didn't say how many sheets there are here, excuse me. Oh my god. So we have many. Well, 1, 2, 3. So there's 5 sheets of oil pastel card. It's like a thick card there, and then 10. So I'm going to swatch on this A5 drawing paper. It's quite smooth. Let's have a. Oh, they're like. Whoa, they're quite nice. Let's have a little go. So we have. Have they got colour names? They're very tiny. So, Black Noir. Ooh, so smooth. This one is Charcoal Blue. Oh, they're so... I don't even know how to describe the texture of these. They're so buttery and smooth. Ugh, that matches the eraser. Oh, I didn't say the colour name. That one. What one's this? This is Cobalt Green Light. This one is... Well, it's an ochre, and they've stuck the label over most of the name. So anyway, let's just say ochre. So that's not quite as opaque as the others. Yellowy tones aren't normally. And this one, which is a yellow, is Gold Yellow. Aren't they pretty? Okay, so, and then we have pencil. So 5-bit. That's I was expecting that to come out a bit darker. It's a long time since I've used pencils like this though. And then that's too nice. I'm not going to use that. I've got so many erasers that I buy them. Okay, let's have a little play. Should we do a gradient? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to try. Oh god, they're so buttery. I'm going to do a gradient between, so this was the green, wasn't it, and the cobalt green, and then this one, charcoal blue. Oh god, they're making me feel things. I mean, like, do we need a smudgy thing? Not really sure we do. So anyway, what you can do, I'm going to do it on this. You can like then make textures in them with the stick. You really need to check out Blackbeard. I'm going to link him below because one, if I'm in a bad mood, I just watch his videos and he's just so funny, and he calls it his scratchy scratch. And he goes in and he scratches all his paint, and you can make, but like he makes all patterns and stuff. He's fabulous. I'm gonna link him below, and you really need to check him out. But yeah, I don't really know what to do now. Is there anything else I can do with these supplies? I mean, they're not gonna. I don't know if they're going to layer. It's been a long time since I've used oil pastels, and I was really rubbish with them. So they're okay. They are a joy to use, actually. So why have we got this? Maybe this is to use with the pencil, because it's got to be to use with the pencil, right? It has to be, because it's not doing anything with them. It's just making a mess. Yeah. Try smudging. Yeah. I used to do a lot of graphite work. I say a lot. I only used to do graphite. And I used to buy these things all the time and then never use them. I just used to smudge with my finger. I have to say, I don't. Perhaps I'm using them wrong. I just don't really like them. See, it smudges. And then I've just got a dirty stick. I don't really get it. I'm sure someone will tell me I'm an idiot, but whatever. I photographed out for 30 years and I couldn't work out. I just thought they looked crap. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so I've done me little swatches and tried not to get really inappropriate on camera about it with you guys. And then, oh, Sennelier. Okay, so the prompt this month is where rivers flow. It says take yourself mentally or physically to a place where rivers flow, woodlands flourish and valleys meet. This month's box is inspired by our feature artist's love for exploring the beauty of the great outdoors. Play about with sweeping, scraping and scribbling your pastels to form tactile textures and fine details to your artwork. So, yeah. Oh, and there's all the supplies again, a little bit of information about each of them. Okay. Obviously it's going to be a landscape. I'm going to I don't know whether to use this. This is, I feel like I don't want to waste these. Okay. I'm going to stop for 5 minutes and think whether I'm going to use the pad of paper or the oil pastel card, so I will be back soon. So I've reached the end of the artwork now. I've got really dirty hands, and these look like they're about a million years old now. I've made a right mess of them. So I'm not really, you tell me. I'm not really sure how successful of a piece this is, because I don't know. It's not my normal kind of thing, but I had a go. I find oil pastels really difficult. I always have. But yeah, I think I'm pleased with the outcome. I'm not really sure. Anyway, just let me know in the comments below what you thought of it. Do you have this box? What you think of this box? Do you like it? As long as I've subscribed to Scrawlrbox, we've never had oil pastels. And the last, if I remember rightly, the time we had them was, well, not oil pastels, but pastels as such, like the chalk ones, were the month before I subscribed. So that was over 2 years ago now, or 2.5 years ago. So yeah, something different for a change. So it's something really good. And I was really excited that they were Scrawlr. My rubber's still sealed. It's too nice. I don't want to use it. I did use my smudging stick. I did find a use for it to like neaten up the edges a little bit. And the pencil's like, it's a pencil. It's great. What's not to like? And I've not eaten the sweet yet, so I'm probably going to shove that in my face in a minute. So yeah, just leave us a comment below. Any comments you may have. If you want to subscribe to Scrawlrbox, then I'm going to leave a link to, well, it's like a referral link kind of thing, so it will get you a small discount on your first month's box when you take out a subscription. I will leave a link below to my social media accounts. I'm on all the usual ones, and also, as I mentioned before, I'm going to leave a link to Carmel's account, and I will leave links to Blackbean's YouTube and Instagram account as well, because he is amazing. You need to check him out. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already and you want to see more from me. I try and upload at least once a week, and yeah, until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.